Hi friends, myself Prerna Goyal, a motivational speaker and a language trainer. Today I am with you on my topic fear. Friends, it is just an emotion which develops by our experiences and exposure of different places and people. Like by work, when we can't appease others by our working status or working style, so we start thinking that I am worthless because I can't give good work. Same thing happens in study. When we study good, but still if we don't get employment, then also we blame ourselves why I am not able to get good employment. Trusting people, when we trust other people, relatives, friends and society, but sometimes they deceive us in different ways. So also we start thinking why it is only with me. Now it comes even by driving. Sometimes when we drive, we meet accident. But I think in that case it can be our fault as well. Maybe we were driving when we were drunk or we had taken some drugs but we were not careful. Also some children, when they drive in the traffic on the highway roads, it means they are underage and these minors should not be allowed for driving on the road because they even cause other drivers to meet accidents. Sometimes even by marrying, we try to select our partner very well, but still some people cheat their partners or their married partners as well. So we feel very much hurt and we can't understand what is the right way of living. By following the society also, we feel foundation in our life because they don't let us do anything or they don't let us grow the way we want. Freedom also, sometimes we ask for freedom from the society or from the systems, but when we take freedom and sometimes we are not able to tackle our freedom and it becomes too late to correct ourselves and also we get fears of different types. If we become introvert, okay, my problems will be within me only, I don't want to share with others, then we start falling sick or having depression or different kinds of problems. That also gives us fear that how I would lead my future life. If we become extrovert as well, then also socially people label us as oversmart. After all, we start following the God, thinking that this is the last solution or ultimate of our problems. But what happens, friends, that even when we depend on God, still mishappenings do not stop. Sometimes our children pass away when we are alive, and sometimes parents pass away when children are so young, and many kind of mishappenings like leaving the job, loss of business or loss of good health we also face, so even we can't get away from the fears. So mean to say that we always face challenges and they give us fear, but we never question why it is happening with us. I think in several things it is our systems which are not giving us proper education so that we can get better employment, or we are not having good jobs because we can't perform our duties there, or we are not socially well acquainted with the systems that we can deal with the systems. Some people or friendly systems do not let us be open up with our friends, so we also don't know if friends can be trustworthy or not. So I think this is the story of experiences, that we always experiment or experience something by self instead of following others. Now the matter comes exposure. Sometimes we have community beliefs, exposure, people are believing in God or people are believing in different kind of social activities, and we think maybe this is good or not, we are not able to understand, so we start believing on them, or some people don't believe on them. And sometimes country systems also, like our law and different kinds of rules of the society and of the family as well, but we still fall into different kind of fears, looking at some problems into the families, and they fall into the law and they are punished by the law, so we also get fear from such situations. Sometimes people's lifestyle also, it seems glamorous, it seems beautiful, it seems wonderful, but also if we try to follow those things as well, it also gives us kind of fear in our mind, because they also face several problems. At our workplace also, our performance is one thing, but some people are tattler. They even tattle on us to our bosses, and sometimes they even mishandle us to depend on our other colleagues, and they create kind of fears in our mind that if you are not in our lobby, so you will not develop properly in your future. That also gives us fear. In our businesses also, sometimes we depend on our partners or our relatives also, who are our business partners, but they cheat us, so we also get fears that how can we live in this world. So I think results of these exposures, sometimes fear and sometimes joy. So that's why I think we should choose our institutes of study, what can give us better studies. We should choose our workplace before getting any fake image or brand of something, that if we can work there or not. We should be confirmed about our own performance. We should choose our friends gently, so that they will never leave us and they will be helpful to us forever. We should choose our place to live, so that we will be among good people to learn good things, and it will not impact bad future. And entertainment as well, friends, it is of several types. You understand, Bollywood and theaters and serials and many other things are there for entertainment, but everything is not for everybody. So we should change our entertainment only to feel happy, not to learn bad things. There are several programs which children watch and they are not good for their mind, and even for elderly people, they watch certain types of serials which creates problem in their life. It is not good. Some professions also, they are not good for our future life, because maybe they are giving us wrong ethics to live the life, or they are giving us bad practices of lifestyle, as drinking or going around with wrong type of friends to earn money. So we should be careful at our profession also. Peer groups. Friends, this is most important thing. Our peer groups means our age group people. Sometimes even they cheat us and they misguide us for their personal benefits. So we should be always careful by making our friends that what kind of peer group is good for me, which is not pressuring me for any bad habit. So I think we should choose all these things for the betterment of the future. So now we will develop self-confidence in everything in our personality, and we will become bold and beautiful, and we will have no fear of anything, and we will try to have joy in our life. We have to win our weaknesses, and we have to trust ourselves what is right and what is wrong. Sometimes we have to judge by ourselves, but not always we can judge everything and everybody by ourselves. So we should depend on some suggestions and advices of our family, friends and other people as well. So friends, I think if we want to get out or if we want to overcome from our fears, so we have to trust ourselves. Only then success will touch our fate. Everybody will love us and life will be fears free. Thanks friends. My number is 9958427005 for your suggestions and your feedback. Thanks.